What if I told you that saving just $50 a month starting at 20 could make you more money in the long run than saving $200 a month starting at 35? That sounds backwards, but it's completely true. And it's all because of one concept most people don't learn until it's way too late to take full advantage of it. It's called compound interest. And once you understand it, you'll never think about saving the same way again. Here's the simple version. When you save or invest money, you earn interest on it. That's basic. But compound interest means you also earn interest on the interest you've already earned. So your money starts making money, and then that money makes more money. And it keeps snowballing over time. The longer you leave it alone, the faster it grows. That's why time is literally the most valuable ingredient here. Not how much money you have, just how early you start. Let me show you what this actually looks like. Say you invest $50 a month, starting at age 20. With an average annual return of 7%, which is a reasonable long-term stock market average, by the time you're 65, you'd have around $175,000. You personally only put in about $27,000 of that. The rest, nearly $150,000, came from compound growth. Now compare that to someone who waits until 35 to start and puts in $200 a month. Same 7% return. By 65, they'd have around $243,000. More in total, but they put in $72,000 of their own money to get there. The early starter put in less than half and still ended up with a massive chunk of that wealth, just from starting sooner. Time did the heavy lifting. So where does compound interest actually happen? High-yield savings accounts are a solid starting point. They earn way more interest than a standard bank account. Index funds and retirement accounts, like a Roth IRA or a 401k, are where the real long-term compounding happens. We'll go deeper on investing in a future episode, but the key thing to know right now is this. Even small amounts invested early and left alone grow into something genuinely significant. The math is on your side. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Even if it's just $10 or $20 a month into a high-yield savings account, you're putting compound interest to work for you. This week, look up what interest rate your current savings account is paying. If it's less than 1%, you might be leaving serious money on the table. Drop that number in the comments. Let's see how many of us are sitting in low-interest accounts right now. Subscribe for Episode 7, Investing 101. See you there.